Assalamualaikum. Hope everybody is fine. And today I'm bringing a new video, which is for French toast I made for kids. 3 days back, I made French toast for bachas, all of the kids, because they were really hungry in the evening and we needed a little change and we wanted something sweet. So I made I mixed 2 eggs and beat them thoroughly, as you can see, and then I added like 4 big tablespoons of sugar, so it was a little bit more sweeter. It was good, but if you want more, then you can add more, like 1 more spoon of sugar or whatever you want, but sugar will do. This time I didn't mix too much milk, but then now I'm adding the milk, which is not too much but a little much, because obviously everybody was hungry. So now our mixture is almost ready and we're just gonna keep it for like 5 minutes and then we will fry them. I make it this way because then the sugar gets dissolved and you can put our normal sugar. First I used to put the other sugar, the icing sugar, sort of like caster sugar or icing sugar, but now I normally put the normal sugar, because if you leave it for 5 to 10 minutes it just gets dissolved and the mixture is really tasty. So now I've cut the pieces of bread into like halves and I'm gonna fry them all on medium heat so they don't get burnt, and they do get brown and cooked properly from insides. You must be thinking that I am making a video which is in English, and actually I am making it in English because I do have some friends all over the world and I would like them to understand my video, so it would be easier for them to understand, because Urdu they can't grasp that well. So now, as you can see, my first batch is ready and the bread is done, and now I'm going for second batch. So this is my second batch in the frying pan. Now the heat was warm, so it didn't take lots of time and it just cooked very very fast actually. So I had to lower the heat a bit so it would not burn out, and they were really tasty and we really had a good time at around 6:30 in the evening. So this was our French toast day. So now, as you can see, they're ready and I'm gonna dish them out now, because the other plate was taken by the kids. So hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye, take care, see you.